Today I am here to introduce you to a new human hair wig resource. And I could not be more excited about this one. My friend Sarah has created her own brand, Locks of Confidence. I have known Sarah for a number of years. I met her through the wig journey. I've actually had her live on my channels a couple of times now to talk about human hair wig education. She's so passionate about it. She's a teacher and she has built her whole wig persona around teaching others about wigs. And she sensed a bit of a gap in some areas in the human hair wig world, and with her vast experience and knowledge of human hair wigs, she thought she could fill it. So she created her own brand, and I have Bailey from Locks of Confidence on my head. I'm not only going to tell you about this brand, these wigs, what makes this unique, because there are some things, but I'm also going to talk about why I said yes to reviewing, because just because I'm a friend of hers doesn't mean I was going to share her wigs, and I take your trust in me very seriously. Very seriously. So let's talk about that. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I love bringing you all things wigs. If I can introduce you to a resource that I think will help, I will do it. If I can teach you a skill working with your wigs, I will do it. I have tons of videos on my channel, not just reviewing wigs of all sorts, Amazon wigs, synthetics, heat-friendly synthetics, human hair, luxury, budget, everything. But I do tons of tips and tricks videos. I've actually created a document that I call the Ultimate Wig Resource that lists a bunch of trustworthy retailers, because there are a lot of scam retailers out there these days in everything, but for sure wigs, because those of us who come to wigs due to hair loss are incredibly vulnerable, and people will take advantage of that. And that's why I take my responsibility to you so seriously. And I normally do not say yes to a new retailer that approaches me to do a review, because I want to make sure they're going to be a good option, that they're a legit retailer. And a lot of women actually get into selling wigs because they start wearing wigs and then they really want to help others. But just because somebody maybe knows wigs and has the best of intentions doesn't mean that they're going to know how to run a business. So I'm really careful who I say yes to. And after discussing with her and understanding her vision and what she's doing that might be different from others, I really believe that I needed to tell all of you about it. So I have Bailey on my head. I've been wearing Bailey now for a few weeks. I don't wear straight human hair wigs, really. This wig has blown my mind. It is so good, so comfortable. The hair is so amazing. The custom cut I've been wearing it a ton, and I will continue to wear it a ton. And that, my friends, is why I'm so excited to tell you about this, because she has created a piece for me that's different than any other human hair wig, straight human hair wig that I've ever had. Something to be aware of with Locks of Confidence. When you look at the wig and it has a name, that name refers to the color. So this is Bailey, and Bailey is the color. So what Sarah does, I think, is really wonderful. A custom cut in with her piece. Another thing that Sarah does that's so unique is she customizes her own hairline, the hairlines on her wigs. So this hairline is custom plucked, custom created, custom plucked. It's so realistic. Right there is one of the most important parts of a wig. If it doesn't have a natural hairline, it doesn't look natural, but it also doesn't feel natural, and then we will not be confident. This is incredible. You know, you do have to cut the lace. It does come longer like most human hair wigs, but the hairline is pre-plucked, customized for you. So there's no visible knots. She is just doing such a good job. So custom cuts, custom plucked lace front. It is such a joy to wear this wig. It is comfortable. The density is beautiful. It's a natural kind of light, not a super light density, not a heavy density. It's so very natural. The movement is good. And let me tell you what she does with the caps. She does have a couple of different cap options, and I will say she also does fully custom wigs. So you could do kind of what I did, which was a partial custom. You could do fully custom. What I have here is her wefted lace top wig. She does have fully hand-tied wig. This one is the lace top. So we've got lace free parting all up here with the lace. We've got extended lace that goes all the way beyond the silicone on these ear tabs, which keeps them really nice and snug in place. We've got closed wefting throughout, and it's very comfortable. This material over the wefting is very soft, like a t-shirt material. We've got a really substantial nape with silicone, which helps grip the back of your head. I really love that. We have hook adjusters, so you can adjust the circumference. But what makes this so incredibly unique, she customizes the cap size for your measurement. When they make your wig, they customize the cap size for your measurements. I have not known anybody else who does this as just part of the process. This isn't an extra that you can pay for. It is part of the process. So if you've struggled because wigs just don't fit right, because you don't have a standard sized head, because none of us, she has solved that problem. It's really, I have no words. It has made a huge difference in my comfort with this wig. Because there's so much customization involved in this whole process, it can take a while for you to get your wig. 3 to 4 months potentially, which is not great for everybody. So if you're someone who's looking to buy a wig and have it within a week or two, this really isn't the right fit for you. She may at some point offer ready to wear, ready to ship wigs, but right now her focus is really on this customization process, because it's hard to get wigs that are made like this. It's easier to get the ready to ship wigs, but harder to get ones that are really fully customized for you. This wig is also, another thing she offers is factory colored versus hand painted color. My wig is factory colored, and the reason I chose that over hand painting is because I actually like the low maintenance of a factory colored wig. What I mean by factory color, when a wig is factory colored, textile dye is used versus hair dye on a wig oxidizes, sometimes really quickly, fades, sometimes really quickly, turns brassy. And while a hand painted with hair dye wig will give you some really beautiful colors, if you're looking for this so salon inspired color, a balayage, a heavily dimensional highlighted, you know, all of these fancy blends, sometimes the only way to get those is hand painting. But I think this wig is very dimensional. I think it looks like a very skilled stylist colored this wig. And I get the benefit of it being factory colored, so I'm not going to have all of that maintenance. I'm not going to have to worry as quickly about the oxidization, the brassiness, the color change. You can choose factory colored versus hand painted. She can walk you through all of this. She does video consults. She does charge for them, but if you buy a wig from her, paid for the consult goes into the price of your wig. So it will be free if you buy a wig. If you don't, that's fine, but you're going to get some education because she knows a lot of stuff about wigs. I do think it's worth paying her for her time. I do think I've given you a big chunk of the information that you need to know to determine if you want to check out Locks of Confidence. I will put some more details in the caption. I will link her website. She has so much education at her website, you guys. She is so transparent. All of her prices are listed. Everything is very, very transparent so that you can decide if this is the right fit for you. The base price on my wig is $1,300. I normally don't talk price in these videos because it can change, and you may be watching this 3 years from now, but I think it can be helpful to give you a sense, because you might be thinking this is going to be way, 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 way out of your price range because it's so fully customizable. $1,300 is a great price for a wig like this. This is an incredible price for the custom hand holding process that she goes through. I have gotten wigs from human hair retailers that didn't do any of this that were $1,800. Honestly, this is priced so fairly for what you get. The quality is incredible. This wig washes up beautifully. It doesn't frizz. It doesn't get all poofy and frizzy. All of the information for you at her website, the type of hair that she uses, the difference between the hand painted and the factory color, all of this is listed. She has huge information on her YouTube channel. She covers things that not a lot of other people are talking about, and she's a wig wearer first. I think that's really important to note. She's a wig wearer first and a retailer second. Any questions you have, please, please, please reach out. If I recommend something with my whole heart, when I really mean it's worth your time and money, I will answer any questions that you have because I want you to feel comfortable, and I'm not here to sell you anything. I would love it if you would support Sarah because she's a friend, but I'm not here to sell you anything. I want you to make purchases that are right for you because honestly, you guys, life is hard as heck right now financially for a lot of us. This is a luxury item. Even if it is priced really well comparatively, honestly, it is a luxury item. So any questions you have, I'm happy to answer. And you know, I do free phone and video consults. I don't charge for my time. What I put out for my wig sisters is always with you in mind. And so if you want to meet via video and ask questions, I'm happy to do it. More information in the caption. Let's talk about this color. So again, this is Bailey. I had said before, the name is the color. So when you see her with a Bailey wig, it's going to be this basic base color. Note, color will vary. It will especially vary in human hair. Highlight placement, thickness of the highlights versus the lowlights. All of that is going to vary from piece to piece. You have to accept that when it comes to human hair wigs, especially if you're going to try to duplicate what someone else has. Because a human being is doing this, they cannot be precisely exact. So what this is a neutral light brown base, and then it's got dimensional cool and warm highlights, which is absolutely done to perfection. I'll show this to you outside. Perfection. And this is not a traditional root. This isn't like a darker brown root. This is basically that light brown base. But then we've got so much in the way of dimensional highlights that it does lighten it up as it goes down. This looks to me like a neutral light brown that's been highlighted with various tones of blonde. That's what it looks like to me, and it's so gorgeous. All right, let's get outside, look below. Thanks for spending all this time with me. I spent a lot of time on this because I think these videos, because of the price of these wigs, because of the stakes for getting it right, nobody has $1,300 to $2,000 just to throw away. I want to make sure I give you all the information that I can. So more below that I couldn't say and make this video 40 minutes long. I'll see you guys soon. All right, I'm going to show you in direct sunlight. This is going to make this look a lot lighter. It's also going to blend it more. It isn't going to look as dimensional in direct sunlight. So I'm going to find some shade and I'll show it to you there as well. This might be too much shade. Look at how much that dimension shows up. Couldn't really see that in the direct sunlight. Love this color so much. But if you want something more vibrant, lot more pops with the highlights and the lowlights, maybe a little balayage effect, you might do the hand painted. They both have their place. Thanks for watching. Check out her Google reviews, by the way. She doesn't have a ton yet because she's, small business, but people are raving about their wigs from her, so it's worth it. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.